In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. It's a very easy process. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we need to open up the trunk because that's where the reverse light is. And in order to access it, we need to take this cover off. This cover is held in place by 10 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the 10th one's over there. Now, in order to get the clips off, you need a small flathead screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to pop up the middle part of the clip and then pull the entire clip out. Right there. Now repeat the process for the other 9 clips and make sure you don't lose the clips. Right? So let's do that. And once you get the cover off, there's a small handle there. You just need to pry it out gently and out it comes. Right there. Now that's the reverse light bulb there. First we need to get the electrical connector off. So press it there and out it comes. I'll show you why we had to get the electrical connector off, because if you would not have taken it off, we would not have been able to get the bulb holder out of the light. So first we get the connector off. Now get the bulb holder, twist it left, and out it comes. That's the bulb right there. In order to get the old bulb off, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. The replacement bulb type is T20 or 7443. That's the replacement bulb type number. Get the new bulb, push it in. Put the bulb holder in, align it like that, and then twist it right. It's locked. Let's put the electrical connector back in. It only goes in one way, and that's it. Now it's the exact same process on the other side as well. Same bulb, same everything. I'm going to show you. See that? Exact same everything. Get the bulb holder out, put it back in, and twist it right to lock it in place. And then let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on. And that's it. Now we can put the cover back on. Now just make sure that when you're putting the pins back in, that the middle part of the pin is pulled out all the way. That makes your job easier. So just get the cover, grab one of those pins, and just put one pin in place, right? Once you do that, then the cover will stay in place, and then you can put the rest of the 9 clips in piece. Yep, let's go ahead and put the other 9 clips back in place. And once you're done with that, let's put that grab handle in. Just put the handle in like that, the top part in, and then push the bottom part of the handle in, and it'll lock in place. And that's pretty much it.